When you launch the browser for the first time, it will ask you if you want to sync it with Chrome. Make sure this option is selected. So, click on Import from Google Chrome. Click Next. Here, select your new tab design and select again Next. Here, you can log in to have the info synced on all devices. You can do this or you don't. Then click Done. If the import didn't work or you want to import after the initial setup, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of your window. Select Settings. From the Profiles tab, press Import Browser Data. A pop-up will appear. Choose Chrome at the Import From box and make sure favorites or bookmarks are selected. Press Import. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.